Hey, what's going on, y'all? Slick with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today working in Tampa in the Citrus Park area. We're here for a commercial job. We're gonna be doing the plaza here. Just the storefront. I got Kyle working with me. We're gonna soft wash the front of the building, and then Kyle's gonna do the sidewalks for me. I'm trying to get started before the stores open. It's just about 8 o'clock right now. We had a little water situation in the back where we couldn't get the water to turn on because they had the water off to the building in certain sections. The front is what they're focusing on because it's on the main street here behind me, right across the street from Citrus Park Mall. So that's what we're gonna clean. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing. If you haven't yet, subscribe and like. If you got questions, just ask and hit the bell for new content. Let me show you guys the job. All right, so you guys can see here, we got a lot of algae right here in front of the wall. I'm gonna start with the downstream mix and see what happens with that before I whip out the P40 if I need to. The sidewalks in the front needs to be done. I asked them if they wanted the whole building done. I actually gave them a quote for the whole building, but they said they don't want the sides done. They only want the front done. So they're only gonna do the front. Like I said, some of these stores haven't opened yet. I think the mattress store at the end is open. Looks like this one open at 9. This salon, Lily Nails, open at 9:30. This one's empty. I think this is where we were trying to hook up the water to, was behind this building here. That's empty, so that's why the water's off. Tampa P40 says it's open, so we're gonna have to be careful with people coming in and out. Like I said, it's 8 o'clock right now almost, so we should be able to get that done. You guys can see a lot of algae up here, so we're gonna shoot that from the ground. We don't need any ladders, so we're gonna get going. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.
You want me to go all the way out to that first block, going to the parking spots?
Yeah. All right, y'all. I changed my mind. I'm spoiled, man. I'm spoiled. I'm gonna go ahead and use the P40 to get everything done. I did dial it down, so you know, I'm just not spraying nothing really strong. I'm using probably like a 2% mix to get this going. This building definitely needs to be painted, but we can get all that green and the algae off of it though. I just got done spraying this section already, guys. You can see how the mix reacted to the algae here, or the algae reacted to the mix. That's already ready to be rinsed. I just got done spraying all this section here. We're gonna keep moving down. I don't think I got enough hose to reach all the way down to the Massage Envy. I may have to move the truck to get the other piece over there. So we're gonna spray this area here. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and start rinsing. I let this sit for about 10 minutes dwell time, so this is plenty of time to get this done. Just trying to get out of here before the plaza even opens, man. right, we're working on this last piece. I had enough hose, I had to go pull it. We're gonna start right there on this corner wall. We're not going down the side. They don't want the sides done. Or the concrete. Maybe like after they see what the rest of the building looks like, they'll change their minds. I think Kai is about to start rinsing. Actually, he is rinsing down there. So, should be done pretty quickly. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse everything down on the front end, right here on this glass. Make sure we don't leave no spots. I'm gonna also help Kai rinse the floor and the back of these pillars too. All right, you guys, we're all wrapped up. Truck is packed, hoses are up. 8:47. Really got done about 8:40. You guys can see all that algae that was here is gone. Looking clean. All this area was pretty bad on the edges. We did the front sidewalks. Hopefully soon, like I said, they call us back so we can get the rest done. That's what I'm talking about. This side was bad too. Got it done before they open, man. That was my goal, excuse me, to get this done before they open. So definitely happy with that. And this is the sidewalks. Boy, Kai knocked that out for me. Looking nice and clean. That's how we want it. Of course, we did the glass, because I'm pretty sure I got some overspray on it too with that mix, so you definitely don't want the glass to be spotty. So definitely happy with this. Y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the bell for new content. If you got questions about anything I did today, what I used, just ask them, and I'll help you guys out. Hope y'all enjoy the video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.